We are live. So Bitcoin Cash is looking different this time around with the fork coming on November 15th. The last time there was a fork, there was quite a bit of tension and there was a hash war, which caused Bitcoin Cash to drop about 87%. This time around, things are looking a little different for Bitcoin Cash. It has quite a better standing and it has held off that long-term support. So we may have a better outcome for this next fork coming on November 15th. What's up, it's John here with another video with Currency.com. And it looks like Bitcoin Cash does have a fork coming this month. So we can expect something to happen with the price action, but maybe not similar to what happened in 2018. And I'm going to show you some things that will show that we might have a different outcome than what happened in 2018. But let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. And also a quick thanks to everyone who's been subscribing and also liking our videos. We started this channel right when COVID started in April, and we're still growing and still giving you guys all of this free content. And quick thing to mention here, that is a new promotion happening on Currency.com. Every Friday, Currency has been having a 0% fees day, but starting today, Currency.com will offer 0% fees up until the end of the year on all 1,500 plus assets listed on the exchange. But this will only be available for anyone trading with leverage. Now, looking here at Currency.com, the trader sentiment remains bullish. The price is leaning towards the high of the day and 80% buyers, 20% sellers. So as usual, we do cover support and resistance levels. First, looking at support number one for Bitcoin Cash is right around $260, which was the November open. Next is 245, which is an important level, the 200-day moving average. And then 225 after that, which was the open for October. And what we're gonna need to do is the price to break some resistance levels to the upside. The first one right around $280, which is the high of October. And then right around 296 to 300, which was the September high. And then if we can make it past that resistance level, and then 340 is the range to watch, which is the August high. As some of you may know, Bitcoin Cash does have a network upgrade coming in about 2 weeks or so. And some quick notes here on how to prepare. For users, hold on to your keys. Miners, to remain on Bitcoin Cash, upgrade your node to 22. Also, as for all the wallet developers out there, there is a new upgrade that is now currently available. And you can follow Bitcoin Cash site on Twitter for more info on this. And Roger Ver also shared another video of Bitcoin Cash being used for payments. As you can see here, I'll play it real quick.
Watch how fast. Watch this. $1. Boom, boom.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it does seem that Roger does share these kinds of videos quite often, which does get quite a bit of views, a lot of attention, 32,000 viewers here. And it is still bullish for Bitcoin Cash. A little bit more development for Bitcoin Cash. The privacy-focused browser Brave users can now purchase Bitcoin Cash directly on Bitcoin.com using the browser. And moving more into price action now, there was a recent correction in altcoins, but Bitcoin Cash, it did hold off defending its support range this time. And if you look here at the 4-hour chart, since it bottomed out in September, trend does continue to move upwards. You can see the price here making higher lows and staying right on that trend line here. In October, the price also crossed above that 200-day moving average. The last time that happened was back here in July, and the price went up about 45–50%. If we did have another 50% jump from current levels where it did cross over, that would bring us right about to that resistance level I've been looking at $340. I'm going to play a quick clip here from our last video looking back at what we expected there, which indicated a bullish reversal. And since then, it's been in an uptrend the majority of October, and it could continue going right into the fork in November. But as of right now, it's looking like the run will slow down and consolidate. The RSI just about hit 70. And if you are looking to buy or long, then I would wait for a pullback, probably down to the 200-day moving average, with the price target being at that $300 range. So you can see that Bitcoin Cash did pull back right into that dip range at the 200-day moving average. If you followed the last video and took that trade, the price did move up about 12% since then. So myself, I'm expecting the price to stay within this range here for the next few months. But the Bitcoin Cash fork is only about 2 weeks away. So let's come up with a bullish and a bearish scenario going right into that. So if the fork is bullish for Bitcoin Cash, then we will need to see the trend continue doing exactly what it's doing, going up, higher highs, and then break out above 300, preferably before, so that can then become a support. And that would also keep the RSI from spiking right in that overbought range, because you can see each time it did spike into overbought, it did have quite a deep pullback. Slow grind up will keep the RSI moving nice and slow into that overbought range, which is what you would prefer to have happen. And with that being said, my bullish price target is right around $300 for November. But on the bearish side, the 300 level is still a resistance as of right now. So going into the fork, we're going to need to see if the price does have quite a bit of momentum going into there, but and then it's below 300 going into the fork and it's a resistance zone, then I'm not looking at that breaking through the first time around. I would be then expecting a rejection. And if the 200-day moving average is slowly moving with the price upwards, then I would expect a rejection right on the fork date, bringing us down to test the 200-day moving average. And then my bearish price target, if we do cross below that 200-day moving average going into the fork, would be right around this level here at $240. But like I mentioned before, if Bitcoin continues to show strength, then Bitcoin Cash will follow that for sure. So strength in Bitcoin and a slow grind up in Bitcoin Cash means that buying the dip is the best approach if that does happen for Bitcoin Cash as it continues to slow grind up. And as long as the price does not break this trend line here and continues to make those resistance zones into support, then I expect Bitcoin Cash to continue its trend up towards the yearly highs potentially. So let's wrap this up. I'll see you guys in the next video, and feel free to continue to leave your comments below, like and share the video. It does really help us to improve the channel and also know what we will be posting next. And on behalf of Currency.com, good luck with your trades. It's John checking out. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.